Hey guys, my name is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. I just finished this fish painting and was in the mood to start another one. Needed to clean a few sections of my color palette for this. So thought of sharing and discussing with you how to clean a watercolor palette. So to clean your watercolor palette, prefer to use a cloth or a sponge. I'll put some water with my paint brush on the sections to be cleaned and gently wipe off the excess paint. For stubborn and dry leftover paint and stains also, I will do the same. I may just have to clean it twice or rub the damp cloth a little more on it. So don't wash the sections of your palette which may cause water to get into the other sections and dilute or waste those pigments. Rather, clean your palette like this. Unless of course you have to wash and clean your entire palette. Now I will allow the palette to dry before using it for making another great piece of art. So what are you waiting for? Clean your palettes, watch my easy tutorials and get started in your watercolor journey. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.